Not fair! I did it. I really did it! My goal. Mine! You saw that, right? Not fair! Right? I feel so mad! It was a goal! It was!
Oof. Red, we saw it too. It's okay to be mad.
Red, we're here. What's up to you? Let's see. The referee?
No.
The other team?
No.
Your legs?
Yes.
Your kick?
Yes.
That you can control.
Red, you trained so hard. That kick was amazing.
It was pretty good.
Next time, Red. You've got this.
Next time. Yeah, next time.
Yeah. I kicked the ball, I gave my all. The flag went up, but I stand tall. It's okay to feel so red. Big feelings coming and they fade. I can't control the referee, but I control me. I control me. I control me, yeah!
Subscribe to the channel.
Don't miss the next episode.